The Windows Sandbox is great for scenarios where you want to demo an app or create videos with clean Windows experience without the need of having to configure new virtual machines and all that kind of stuff. And after you're done, all you need to do is close the sandbox and all the history of what you've done is gone and you can get back to using your PC as normally as you would. As a trainer, I get to teach beginners how to get set up with their machine from either bare metal or minimal setup with little or no tools installed on their machines. And Windows Sandbox fits that scenario for me specifically. And Windows Sandbox is actually what I used to achieve that. So in this video, I will show you how to enable Windows Sandbox to use in such scenarios for your trainings. What you need to do is to press your Windows key and type features. And then you select the first option that says turn Windows features on or off. When you select that, it will bring a prompt that gives you a list of optional Windows features that you can enable. You scroll down to the end and you will see Windows Sandbox. All you need to do now is go ahead and check that and click on OK. It will take some seconds or minutes to finish configuring all that for you. And then once it's done, it may or may not ask you to restart your system. So I'll go ahead and tell my system to restart. Now that my PC is done restarting, what I need to do is go ahead and start my Windows Sandbox. Again, I'll press the Windows key and type, or go ahead and actually go into the program list and find Windows Sandbox right here. What it will go ahead and do is start a fresh Windows experience for us right inside of Windows. We'll just wait for that to complete. And so while you wait, you might want to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get notifications when I post new videos. And also, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and refer to your friends. And then our Windows Sandbox is ready for use. And I can see if I press the Windows key here now, well, it's still sort of starting up, so I'll just wait for that to complete in a bit. So it's pretty much ready to use. I can start up the browser, I can start up File Explorer, that's the File Explorer right there. You see, it's not even using the dark theme I'm using on my own current Windows, and you can see it's got 40 gig of space. I can open up the browser, do all sort of stuff inside it, as you can see here, and then I can go ahead and install the tools I will use for the demos and labs and everything I want to do. And once I'm done, I can go ahead and close this up. Another thing I can do, this started in a small screen, I can actually go ahead and blow it up so that it becomes a full Windows experience, just like it's a brand new machine on my machine. And I can go ahead and actually unpin this area so that that title bar floats away, and then it looks just like a fresh Windows device right here for me. You can see the Windows scene that actually has another set of settings apart from my own main Windows environment. And so that is how you use the Windows Sandbox right inside of Windows. Thank you for watching this video. I'll catch you again later.